Welcome back, everybody. Today we're at the BMW X1 and we're going to check out these new LED bulbs we got for the fog lights. We're going to call them OXILAM LED headlights. We got the CAN bus resistors in there just in case because this is a BMW and they are finicky, but we are going to try it without it and see how they work. It's the Q36 series. It's a H8, H9, H11, H16, JP. Not sure what JP is. "12 volt, 6500K is the temperature rating. Aluminum, 50,000 hours lifespan, and aviation grade aluminum." So let's open it up and see what we got. Try and do this one-handed. Alright, we'll have to shut the video off. Hold on a second. Alright, as with most of these bulbs, you do get a set of gloves. We get an instruction manual in here, which is pretty detailed. It goes through each type of the bulbs in here and how to get the warranty there. I believe it's a 2-year on here, and it tells you if there's flickering, you got to get the CAN bus decoder. Let's see. There you go. 24-month warranty. So you just got to email them. We'll take it out, take a look at them. They look good. They're both serialized, so that's good. We'll get them in the BMW and see how they look without these CAN bus resistors and see what happens. Okay, we are at the front fog light here. We're going to show you, or at least try and show you, how to take it out. There's a tab right in here, and you would line up. The screwdriver kind of sits in a little valley right there. Let's see if we can get in there a little closer. See, there's a tab back there. You're going to want to go ahead and just lift this tab, actually bend the tab down. You got to get on top of it and kind of like pry down on it. In there like this and pry down. You'll see the tab in there. We'll try and do it one hand real quick. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I need both hands. Alright, that's the tab I was talking about, and you see you gotta get underneath there and kinda like pry it down. When you pry it down, it just slides out on these tracks right here. This one had a CAN bus decoder on it, so maybe it will set it off. We'll see. These were aftermarket LEDs already in there. We did not put them in, but we'll get the other ones in and see how they look. Alright, these things fit excellent in there. That fan looks amazing. It's extremely nice setup. We'll plug it in and then slide it back inside there. Alright, these things look extremely bright in here. You got the fan running right there in the back. It's nice. I'm going to go ahead and just slide this back in there, and we'll take a look at both the old one and the new one. Alright, the one on the left is the OXILAM light, and the one on the right is just a random light that was in there. As you can see, that light is so much brighter in there. And then we'll come over here and we'll look at the same one. We'll get the other bulb in and see how it looks. Alright, that's both bulbs installed in the fog light position. Really simple, really easy to change. And they are really, really bright. We'll check them out at nighttime and see how they look. Alright, it is nighttime. We just want to show you how bright these fog lights are. The parking lights are on, so we'll turn on the fog lights now. And those things are amazingly bright, as you can see. We'll go outside and take a look at them real quick. Alright, as you can see, these fog light bulbs are extremely bright. They look good. They perform well. And we did not have to install the CAN bus cancelers. No warning lights. Everything looks good. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.